Good morning, patient and dear students as well as spectators. Please overlook this tree. This tree name is Arjuna tree. This is a very remarkable tree for Ayurvedic patients. Those who have suffered in high blood pressure or low blood pressure, this medicine is essential for. This fresh medicine is essential for. The scalp of that tree, Arjun tree, is very important for immediate curable of high blood pressure. Please overlook these things and recognize this tree fact and point out this tree's entire from root to top. This is a very important essential thing for all patients to have acknowledged this thing. So far as the Ayurvedic medicine is concerned. However, I would like to inform you once again, this scalp of that tree, that medicinal plant's scalp, is very important for using of the high blood pressure patients medicinal purpose. It is immediately curable by this way. If you have heated the spool of that tree, and that remaining water portion will drink by the patient after 30 days. He may be relaxed from his own disease of high blood pressure. The blood pressure will also die down immediately, and his body painfulness recover immediately. So please recognize and overlook these things. It is very important for medicinal purpose. It is a big tree alive. Many more big types of trees are already located in this area, in the very south roadways. First of all, this tree has changed the color season-wise. This is a very important thing, and for your general knowledge point of view. Already some people have known that and put some questions. Which tree has changed its color from time to time? That is, the answer of that question is Arjuna tree. Arjuna tree has changed its color from season-wise time to time. So it is very important, very essential for the patient to have known these things and to use this scalp of that tree. It may help for the immediate curable of high blood pressure. So please recognize and overlook this. So many thanks for your cooperation towards me and overlooking this tree's entire appearance. And I think that you may also believe this matter. Without beliefness, you never recognize anything else and never take faith into any other matter. First you overlook it, thereafter make faith with these things, then use these stools of the tree. That is our tree. So many thanks, many more thanks, and at last I request to all of you, please subscribe my channel. It is very essential for your future plan. And many more thanks for your good cooperation here. Namaste.